How to find and detect scrap in Lethal Company. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to find and detect scrap in Lethal Company. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. Lethal Company is a game where you have to collect and sell scrap on different moons to meet your profit quota. To find and detect scrap in Lethal Company, you need to use your scanner, which is a device that you can equip and activate by pressing the F key. The scanner will show you the location and value of scrap, wildlife, and locations on your screen. Scrap is highlighted in green, wildlife in red, and locations in blue. You can also use the console terminal on your ship or in the building to get information on the scrap that's left on the planet. You can type scrap into the console to see how much scrap is available and where it is located. You can also type wildlife to see the types and numbers of creatures on the moon. Some scrap might be hidden or locked behind the doors, traps, or turrets. You can disable some of them by typing codes into the console. Turrets and landmines are labeled with a code. Type this code into the console to temporarily disable them. Locked doors are also labeled with a code. Type open into the console to open them. I hope this helps you with finding and detecting scrap in Lethal Company, and if it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you again. Bye bye.